All right. So hi guys. I hope that you can hear me well. So day 14 of live coding my app. Actually, I did one stream before, that was day 14, but I removed it because it was too boring and it wasn't worth it to keep it. And that's why I did lots of things outside of stream, so you don't need to watch boring stuff. And I will probably do it like that for the future. That on the stream I will do on interesting stuff, and the boring stuff I will do outside of the stream, because I think not everything is worth to stream. And with that, what I did is let me first try to log in. What I did is let's keep it a little bit bigger. Like I was talking before, I separated the new event form to different pages. So now it's multiple pages and it's still one form. It was quite hard to do. I will explain it soon how I did it. And also I finished this recurring event selector. So you can select which days you want, if you want every week, or if you want daily to keep it and things like that. And you can simply write everything. Oh yeah, one thing that's a little bit unpleasant. Somebody already tried to hack my Google account, which is not nice. It was probably because I shared my Google account ID in the stream, and somebody already tried to steal it, or I don't know, hack it. That's really not nice, guys. I'm sure that all of you are nice people, but for some reason, probably one of you wasn't that nice. So because of that, I probably can't stream how to create accounts and things like that, because somebody will immediately try to steal it. So I need to be really careful with that. Yeah, so with that, I really need to be careful what I share. Yeah, but that's just it. I guess it's part of being public. Okay, that was just side thing. And also, what I did is I did something else. I don't know. I don't remember. But as you can see, this is the whole form. When I click, I can send it with one request to the backend, the whole form, not just this page. So that's really nice, because it would be weird to send multiple steps of the form. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to increase size of my screen. Let me quickly increase the size. So you can see better. Okay. Okay. This should be better. Okay, so how I did it. I'm not sure how many of you will join, because today is Saturday. So probably all of you are relaxing somewhere. But still, I noticed that most of the guys are watching the streams offline, or not offline, like after it's already streamed. As you can see here, that most of the views I have after it. So I think it's okay, even to stream with 0 people watching. And by the way, thanks a lot for 500 plus subscribers. That's really nice. It's like really a lot. It's much more than I expected, but it's super cool that you find this interesting. So I will try to keep it as interesting as possible. Oh, hi, new guy. How are you there? Yeah, I am. Sorry, I didn't notice. I didn't notice. Thanks for joining. I was just saying that probably nobody will join because it's Saturday, but it's nice that somebody joined the stream. Okay, so what I did outside of stream, I like how I achieved this form to be on 3 different pages, but still act as one form. So how I did it is this. I had to create a new navigator, which is tag navigator, because I already have my main navigation, and here I have drawer navigation, which is this one, and it basically acts as one page that contains different pages. So I had to create one new page, which is this navigator, which is this one. And here, what I did is I simply wrapped the whole navigator inside the form. And what it does is it creates context with for that form. So when I'm then using any fields that are from the form, I can simply access that context that this component is in with this useForm context. And because this component is inside this wrapper, it has access to this context. And since it's just one wrapper with one context, all of those components are accessing the same context with same data. And this is how it works. Okay. So this is how it works. And what was also what I also did is that recurring event. So oh no, this one. What I did is I added this picker select, so it looks like native iOS selector. It probably even is native iOS selector, I'm not sure, because I know that on Android it looks a little bit different. On Android, when you use this component, it displays this drop down instead of this selector. But I think it looks pretty nice, better than some drop down. And I did this for the selection of how often this event should occur, so if it's daily, weekly, or monthly. And the same thing I did if you select, for example, weekly, how often this should, like the frequency of how often this should work. So if you, for example, want to start today, but to do it every 2 weeks, you can do it weekly, every 2 weeks, and then select in which day. So let's say Monday, or maybe even Wednesday. And with this, you can create a recurring event very simply. And also, yeah, how I did this selection of event, I simply created component, and I am watching that field, and I'm simply setting which day I click on, and I flip the Boolean status of that field, and I add it to the object of all these days. So then when I click next, oh yeah, sorry, this is required. So then when I click next, here you can see I have Friday false, Monday true, Saturday false, Sunday false, and then Wednesday true. So with this, I will send this to the backend, and with this I know that this will happen on Monday and Tuesday, and with frequency of 2, which means every second week, and weekly, so that means every second week. Yeah, so that's it, what I did. Like I said, it's pretty boring, so I didn't want to, and it was quite hard to do with lots of issues, and probably until I figured out that I need new Navigator and how to wrap it, because it was keep telling me that you can't use anything else inside Navigator except stack screens. So that's why I had to create new Navigator, because I was trying to edit directly here, but it didn't work. So yeah, it was quite a lot of struggle and probably boring to watch. So that's why I did it outside of the stream. And plan for today, that is to improve the design a little bit of this, and to work on the backend, so I can really save this event to the backend, and then start working on this field, so I can show all of events here. Okay, so let's start on it. Yeah, and also, sorry, one more thing. I decided to first create MVP, so that means that it's only the happy paths, because it was taking me too much time to create all the validations for every field and everything. So I decided to speed things up and to make it more interesting, to keep only happy paths, and then I will solve all the validations and again all of those things outside of the stream, so it's not that boring to watch. Okay, so that's it. That's what I did. And now let's improve the design. I really want to improve this this page first, because it's super ugly. So I think it's home. No, wait, what is this? Hello swiper. Oh yeah, that's the swiper. That's not swiper. That's this one. No. Wait, which one it is? It's wait, what? I lost this screen. It should be this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, I was just just didn't notice it, I guess. Okay, so let's improve the design. But how? That's the question. My idea is to like show the look of the city, or some video like how the city is being built, but I don't have that yet, so I will maybe just find some picture on the internet and show the picture for now. And the same with the one-time event, I don't have that yet, but probably some different or no, this will be city and this will be maybe home, so you can create like that home together. Yeah, so let's try that. So first let's add rounded 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 border. Let's try 4. No, that's too much. So XL, maybe a little bit more. XL, is it possible? It's still not as round as I want it to be. So that's how much? 25, 24 pixels. So let's try 50 pixels. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. You want to talk with me? You can ask questions. Just normal here in the chat, and I can answer them. No problem. And the color will be probably like maybe some gray, but some light gray, like this, maybe with some shadow. Let's try add some shadow. Oh yeah, it's already starting to look a little bit nicer. And the same with this, but you don't check out chat here. Yeah, I check it, but not that often for now. So if you have some questions, just ask. If they are like related to this. Maybe instead of gray, yellow. Oh no. Okay, let's keep it gray for now. I really am not a designer. Is this working? No. And my plan is to hire some designer to do the work after. I don't have some I don't have my work email set up yet, and I don't want to share my personal email. So like I said, you can ask question here. No problem. Okay, so maybe let's like improve the font a little bit. Text center and some nicer font. Actually, I'm not even sure how to add some nicer font in the React Native. React Native add font. Okay. Fonts. Actually, maybe Expo has something to do for it. Expo font, yeah, that's what I thought. Are you building 1 million app by yourself only? Yes, I am. But It's not 1 million app, right? That's just basically clickbait. It's, or maybe if it will be 1 million, then I will be very happy, but I don't think that's true. But yeah, my plan is to really release this app and hopefully make some money from it. Layout root view. Okay, I think I already implemented something similar. Where was it? In index? Oh yeah, load everything. Get logged in, load finished. I can maybe add the loading of fonts here. And once it's loaded, okay. Font loaded, where is it? Oh yeah, here. Okay. Okay, so let's find some nice font. It's probably on the Google fonts, right? Oh yeah, and also I want to check if where was it? Here, if I have this plugin already installed. Best of luck. Can you make full video how to use React Native? I mean, I explained most of the things when I started this series, so if you will watch it from the beginning, you will like learn with me how to use React Native, because this is also first time for me to make React Native app. I before only created websites with React. So if you will watch from day one, you can learn basically how to build your own app in React Native. Okay, Expo plugins. So it's inside app.json here. Plugins. Okay, I don't have this yet. I know React. Yeah, if you know React, it's very similar. React Native is very similar. There are some differences, but it wasn't that different to start on with React Native. So let's install Expo fonts. I'm not sure if this is part of MVP. I told myself that I will just oh, it's automatically added here. Nice. Oh, it did things on its own. Cool. But now I should add the path, right? Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure if this is part of Happy Path to add custom fonts, but since I already started, let's finish it. Hopefully it will not took too much time. And also, let's try to first find some nice font. Yeah, that Poppins, I heard that wait, it's probably not like this, right? Poppins. But this is nice font to use. Okay, let's try to download it. Have you built any app before? No, this is my first app. I never built any app before, only websites. Okay. Wait, I will show myself so I can edit to the app and you don't see all my files. Pop-ins, here it is. Okay, now let's move it to the assets file. Just quickly. I know you can't see anything, but I'm simply trying to add the font to the folder. Okay, it's here. And now I can show again what I'm doing. Okay, so now what I need to do is, like in the doc, there is this thing that I need to add path. But then I'm also adding path here, so it's weird. Oh man, I really need to stay on track and to really do the happy path. This is the last thing that I'm sidetracking, I promise. I promise I will keep everything in the happy path after this. Let's add regular. Let's add regular. Opens regular. What it doesn't like. Does not exist in type. What? Oh man, white things that I need to add into the black. Did I specify it somewhere? No. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And this one's cool. So now font loaded. If font loaded. Okay, this should fix it. Also, if app is ready, and won't load it. I probably don't need to specify twice, but just to be sure. And with that, I should have pop-ins on regular. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oh man. None of these files exist. So that's probably because I didn't add them to that plugin here. So let's try to do that. Let's try to do that. Like this. And like this. Plugin definition is empty. Incorrect type. Expected one of string. Oh man. Why it doesn't work? You can configure Expo font using its built-in config plugin. If you use config plugins, the plugin allows you to configure various properties that can't be set at runtime to take effect. An array. Let's try to Google it. Oh man, this is why I don't need to be sidetracking. I really need to focus on happy path because it's always this boring stuff that I'm just trying to debug something. But hopefully I'm near to finish. Oh yeah, it should be okay. I hate when the docs are not correct. because I have it exactly as in docs and it's not working. Okay, so maybe this is not the issue. Maybe it's just some old documentation. Maybe the issue is somewhere here. Pop-ins regular. Maybe I need to do this. I don't know. Like, why nothing works as it should? It should work. Oh, maybe this is the issue. On layout root view, what is that? Oh man. Okay, again, sorry for sidetracking. I will not do that again. I will fix it outside of the stream. And sorry about this. No fonts. Because I can fix it, but it would again take me maybe the whole stream, and it's super boring. So I will not do that. And I want to keep things interesting. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's continue. I really thought that it would be super easy because, again, in React, very easy. Apparently, based on documentation, it should be also super easy, but for some reason it's not. Okay, so recurring event. Let's at least make it bold and a little bit bigger text to example, like this, at least something. And let's find some picture on the internet. Some nice picture of the house. I will probably again don't show it because I'm not sure how like how licensing works. If I can just show any picture, I don't know. Animated house. Mm. For free, maybe free license. Oh no, not house. Sorry, city. Animated city. I just used a picture. Maybe this one. Wait, Frida. Okay. I by mistake downloaded some 3D image. Again, isn't it like too not MVP to download picture? Sure. Okay, I simply screenshotted it. It's free license, so should be okay. I guess. Okay. Screenshot, so set the picture. Okay, let's add it to the assets, and I can show you the. I can show you what I'm doing again. Cool. Cool. And this is the picture. Now, how to add pictures. I'm pretty sure it will be difficult again for some reason. I'm sure it will be difficult. But this is really what we need. Okay. Oh man, it's again 45 minutes and I did basically nothing. I don't understand, like, why is it so much slower when I'm streaming, and when I'm doing it on my own, I would already be finished with backend and everything. Like, I don't understand why is it so much slower when I'm streaming. Okay. Oh wait, it's for pictures that are external? No. Image picker. Nice. Local image. Okay, so it'll be like this. Okay. Image. Again, I knew that it will not be that simple. Like, my idea is that probably needs to be first loaded with a compiler, but it's not mentioned anywhere, so it's weird. Like, my idea is that it will be configured by default. But maybe it's not, I don't know. None of those files exists, even if they are clearly exists. Where can be issue? Where can be issue? Okay, I'm giving it 3 more minutes. If I will not fix this, then again, no picture. And I will solve it outside of the stream. Maybe I need to just restart the app, I don't know. Wait. Maybe it needs to be like this. No. Okay. Expo reset. It's on Windows. I don't have Windows, but let's try it. This is the last thing. Okay, but I have one more thing to try. Oh, wait. No, this is probably stupid. No. No, it's there. Oh man, why this works? It shouldn't work like that. It's weird. You see? It should work like this. This is weird because once it is built, it should like be different structure, so it can't be relative. It needs to be absolute. But absolute for some reason doesn't work. Oh. Okay, it's solved. Okay. Okay. Now I understand. But again, why is documentation wrong? It's always like this. And probably with that, I also solved the font issue, right? I can simply do this. And then okay. For some reason, loading font changed size of the picture. Okay. Interesting. Font loaded. Font loaded. And you see, it was so stupid mistake, but it took me like half an hour to solve on the stream, and it's probably not that interesting to watch, right? And if I fixed it outside of the stream and then just shown that this is how you do it, it's probably better. Yeah, I will not try to do any special things anymore and do everything like this outside of the stream. Where was it? New event here. Style. Font family. Opens regular. Ah! It's working! Nice. Nice. And maybe... How can I set up font family for everything? Can I do it like this? No. Very quickly. Hi brother, hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, I don't like this solution. Custom text component, that's weird. There should be a way how to set up default. Give me a second. Global style. That's not it. Because again, you need to use it. And again, why it's not working like in the normal React? You can simply set up global style and that's it, and it's easy on our web only. Like some things are quite weird. As your life is teaching me how actually the developer's mind works, man. Oh, thanks. Thanks a lot. This is actually the reason why I started with stream, because I noticed that like all of the guys on the internet are simply typing what they prepared before, and with that you can't see how to think as programmer and how to solve issues, and that basically every day and every I don't know every half hour, or I don't know, like every 10 minutes you have some issue in normal programmer's life that you need to solve, and that's something that nobody shows. That's why I started to stream, and yeah, I'm really happy that it's helping you. I'm super happy with that. So thanks a lot for this comment. Only issue is that maybe it can be a little bit boring to see me just Googling stuff. But yeah, like some boring stuff I will do outside and keep like the normal stuff here. Okay, so here is some global thing, low level global sheet. But again, it looks like that they simply are importing this sheet somewhere again, right? Style, G style. Oh, we are here. Like, there really is not a way how to set like the global style for everything. Style sheet, but again, it's you need to import it after. I have one idea. React Navigator. React navigation. Navigation style. Maybe like this. Oh, that's stupid. Why would they bother with creating style? It's probably not working like that. Theme maybe? Theme can be that, right? Okay, I still have planned today to set up backend. So again, I will give this 2 more minutes and then I will stop. Theme. Theme is what I'm looking for. Probably. Looks like it, right? Just for the header. I don't want this. Font family. The name of font family to use. The system fonts are used by default. I'm not sure if this is not... Did you again need to set it up after? I'm not sure. It looks like it. Use theme. You need to set it up again. Oh man. Okay, that's it. That's it. I took my time to research it. I will do it outside of the stream. But what I will do is to add it to my backlog because I'm already starting to forget what I wanted to do outside of the backlog, outside of the stream. So first one is to set font custom font globally. Oh, globally? Is it double L? I don't know. And what was the previous one? Yeah, I think to set up the fonts, right? But I already did that. Okay, cool. So that's it for now. Okay, oh man, it's so much time spent for nothing. So at least we have this, right? And now to improve the image. So we have the text, we have the custom font, we have the image, we have the flags, and now I want new flags, right? Will it work? Flex call? No, doesn't work. Oh, because it's inside of text. It needs to be like this. Cool. Cool. And now instead of fixed height, it should be flex 1. Nice. And with 100%. Cool. No, it's not boring actually. As a beginner, I'm following tutorial and stuff, but content like this is what I wish was there more, and it inspires me. Thanks, subscriber. Plus. Nice. Thanks a lot. Like this is exactly my idea, how I was hoping that it will work for people that really it will, like, that you can learn from me how to debug stuff, because 90% of programming is debugging stuff, and basically no one is teaching it in the internet. So yeah, that was my idea. So okay, I'm glad that you like it, but still I will try to make it a little bit more interesting. But thanks a lot. Like this is really nice to hear for me. Thanks. Okay, so wait, 100%, and probably, how is it called? Overflow hidden. Like on normal React, this would work. But again, of course, because this is not normal React, but React Native, it should work some different way. Let's try add a relative. No. Oh man, why some things are just not working in React Native? React Native overflow hidden for image. Okay, this is what I want. Div. Wait, what div? I'm using React Native. Oh man, so overflow hidden is not working. So then how to fix this? Okay, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Let's try again. So what I need is to hide this ugly thing. So maybe what I need to do is something like this. Okay, that's what I thought. Wait, let's first try if it's even working for the view. Okay, so overflow hidden is not even working for the view itself. So it's probably really not working on the React Native. Let's test another thing. Let's test rounded. Wait, why I'm using style and not Tailwind? So let's try view with 100 pixels, 100 pixels, and rounded XL. Oh, background like. And now let's try. Oh, I remove it by mistake. Doesn't matter. Flex 1. Okay. So at least this is working. And now overflow hidden. No, that's not working. So what I need to do is to set up the same border radius. Okay. Okay, so that's probably the only solution what to do. Okay. Unfortunately. Okay. But why is it even overflowing the... Or maybe it's not overflowing actually. Okay, it's not overflowing. It's just... Okay, so that's fixable. Okay, that's fixable. I thought that it's overflowing even the width, but fortunately it's not. So flex. Oh my god, doesn't work that well in React Native again. How surprising. Oh man, what is this? Why is it why is it shrinking? Oh yeah, I added it to the wrong thing. My mistake, sorry. Cool. Cool. But maybe what I will do is this instead. Yeah, this is nice. Cool. This is nice. And now if I will add around it bottom 50 pixels. Cool. Cool. For some reason here is some white ugly thing. Not sure why. Let's try to remove it. Maybe it's in the picture. Doesn't matter. It will be set overflow on the view, not image. By the way, hi. Welcome to the stream again. Set overflow on the view. You mean here? Oh wait. Maybe you are right. Oh man, yeah, you are right. I'm stupid. I was setting it to the child, not to the parent. Oh man, of course. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay, so I was complaining about React Native too soon. It's okay. It was my mistake. Thanks. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll probably create a component for this after, but now it looks like a little bit nicer. Design this image. I can click on it. Nice. Looks better. Okay, give me a second. I just need to go to toilet. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Cool. Cool. Okay, how much time do we have? 40 minutes. 40 minutes I have. So, what I want to really do today is to set up that backend, because I really thought that this would take me a little bit less time and not 1 hour. but and I wanted to set up this as well, but yeah, I will do it next time. And let's move to the backend, because I'm really looking forward to it, to finally add this form to the backend. So let's do that. Wait, I'm using the Axios, right? I forgot already. API post, okay. Okay, register. Sorry, okay. Okay, so let's switch to the backend. Finally, after some time. Okay, and with that we need new schema. We already have user, and now what we need to do is to create the model for event. So event should have ID for sure. For new people here, I'm using my own backend, which will be server for everything. I don't like Firebase and things like that. I'm using NodeJS with Express and Prisma as ORM. So yeah, that's quite it. That's for now. It was very simple app. I just have to log in basically. Okay, so let's continue. I need ID, and what else? So let's imagine that I have this event and I want to store it and then show it. So I need what users are connected to this event, right? Maybe I need to store the user who created this event, so something like creator, probably, right? Because I'm not sure for now, but for sure, probably only the creator will be able to change something. In the future, I will probably change it to admin and to add multiple admins, maybe. But again, for now, I'm trying to create MVP as simple as possible. I already was distracted too much. So for now, let's simply add creator. So creator, which will be some user. Okay. So every user will have events, maybe created events like this. Yeah, that's better. I have extension in my VS Code that automatically connects to fields and creates relation between them. And what else? Creator. ID. This is better. Then what I also need is connected users. So attendance is the word. Attendance. Is it correct? Flight attendant. No, I want wait, uczestnik. Yeah, okay. So it's oh, sorry, I forgot that you don't understand Czech language. Okay, so attendant is probably the correct word, right? Like the visitor, or I don't know, somebody who joined the event. Attendant, and attendant is users. Why is it complaining? Okay. Okay. This is fixed. Create an event. Wait. One user can attend. One event can have multiple users for sure, and one users can attend multiple events. Yeah, okay, so it's okay. It's one to many and many to many. Cool. Then it's like this. Okay. Hey man, haven't seen you a while. Oh hey, welcome to stream. Yeah, sorry about that. I actually switched my full-time job, so I was having some difficulties, and also I did a lot outside of the stream, so I didn't stream that much, but I will try to stream more often from now. Okay, so attendance. Attendance. But it's nice that the same people are watching. Are still joining the streams. That's really nice to see. Okay, so attendance, and that's probably it. But from I know what I need, and now I only need fields. So what fields do I have? So I have here all the fields. So name, description. Oh, what job did you switch? Is it different language? No, I just switched companies. I had a nice offer to work for some company in the Prague, so I took it. And I'm still doing React. I will only do React. So name. String. Then description. I will probably just copy it. String. Address. String. Start time. Okay, yeah. Start time is date time. Maybe start date is again date time. And end time is again date time. Okay. If it will not work correctly, I will simply switch to string, because sometimes this date time is making some issues. Recalling selector. Oh yeah, that's not the best name, but I really don't know better name. It's this one. If I want it daily, weekly, or monthly, like what can be better name for it? This is string. Maybe I can create enum. But then enums in TypeScript are not best to work with, so it's okay, I think. frequency. I can create actually type after, which will check if it's correct. Yeah, it will be better. Frequency. This is number. Wait, it's not number in Prisma? Number. Number. Int. Okay. Int. What else? And weekday. 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 Can I save object? Okay. Concept. Okay, it works nicely. So let's use the JSON. Cool. That should be it. That should be it. When do you usually go live? Sorry, I missed the question first time. Actually, it's not regular. Like, I go live when I have time. Sometimes it's before my work, which means 6 a.m. in UTF or UTC, or how is it called? UTC. 6 a.m. Yeah, UTC. No, wait, not 6 a.m. 5 a.m. Okay, 5 a.m. UTC. Or 16 or 14 a.m. UTC. Usually. This is first time that I'm streaming on Saturday. But maybe sometimes I will stream on Saturday as well. So yeah, it's really irregular. I still didn't figure it out how to properly say when the next stream will be. I don't know. So yeah, unfortunately I can't say. I can't say. But I think every time I'm live, the notification will appear, right? And so you know if I'm live or not. So maybe that's the only way how to do it. Okay, so I have the model. Now let's do migrate it to the database. Prisma migrate def. Added event model. Cool. With that, now I have event model. Login routes, login user, and let's create new one called event. And simply router, middleware. Yeah, that's for authorization. Details. Okay, let's simply copy this. Event routes. Actually, what's more exciting for you guys to watch? Backend or frontend? Or both? Because I like frontend, but I think maybe backend is a little bit more interesting because it's I don't know. It's like a little bit harder maybe. Okay. I need to edit here. Event routes. Router. Events. And it's post. Suppose. Wait, where did I specify that it's API? Oh, here. Okay, cool. Well, I've been doing front-end for a while, so I find backend more complicated and therefore also more interesting. Yeah, that's what I thought, that it is like that. That it can be interesting because of that. And this is still quite simple backend, so I think front-end guys can understand it pretty well without any issues. Event routes and new event. Cool. For sure, it needs to be for authenticated user. User ID. Okay. And what I want to do is event create data and simply get the request body. Form data maybe, request body. Oh, done. For now, let's simply console log it. Form data. Send. Okay. Okay, that should be enough. Front-end, but the functionality part, Tailwind sucks for me, therefore I work on something by myself. While Tailwind sucks, I enjoyed Tailwind. But I know that it's like 50-50. Some guys like it and some guys don't like it. But for me, Tailwind is super helpful because I really don't like creating names for classes. So it's more clear for me. Yes, I never use Tailwind by itself, even though it's useful for cases where you just need to add a few things to your app, but don't wanna write too much CSS. I'm currently working on React Native app, so I should say frontend, but I like backend too, especially ExpressJS. Okay, cool. So I like that you like the backend. So I think this is the best combo, the Express with Prisma. I think that's the best one. And the previous comment about Tailwind, I think Tailwind can be used even for complicated apps. It's like I don't see disadvantages for Tailwind, because if you use the components correctly, instead of reusing classes in CSS, you can simply reuse the components and write Tailwind classes to that component just once. So I don't see any issues with that. And if you would use normal classes in CSS and you would reuse them on multiple places, then maybe that's like that's how to say it, like maybe because of that, yeah, oh yeah, it can be indication that maybe you are not creating enough components if you need to use multiple CSS classes on multiple places. You can simply move those classes to separate components and reuse those components, which is how it should be done in React. So I don't see any disadvantages for the Tailwind. Naming is always pain. You will end up with stuff like main header, side field gray. Yeah, that's why I don't like it. Like it's like for me it's like 80% of why I don't like CSS classes is because of the naming. Like I don't see why I need to do that when you can simply edit to the like to edit it where you need it. So like I like using Tailwind, but when I get issues like you faced a few minutes ago, then sometimes I feel like now done, let's look into new. Yeah, but this is only in React Native. In normal React they are working correctly. It's just in this React Native that some things are not working as they should. And you can always, for those cases, use normal styles. So I think I will always prefer Tailwind, even if it has some disadvantages here in React Native. Okay, but thanks for questions or comments. I like it that you communicate even with each other. Okay, so let's now create the front-end part of that request. Where I have the submit. It's not best to have it here. It would be better, but because it's different, pages, I can't have it on the parent. Okay, so probably that's the only solution for now. So let's simply add it here. I can refactor always later. Post. Even. Let's simply send data like that. Result. Result. Okay, and if I set some things, test. Track. Oh yeah, I forgot like this, but it looks like it worked. Yeah, we have it on the backend. Nice. name test, description, everything is there. Cool. You know what? Did I keep the exact same names? Or maybe no. I was thinking that I can simply save the whole object to the Prisma, but it can create issues later when I would rename something. It would stop working, so I will do it annoying way, just to do it like this. Name description. Wait, I can add the type of it. Element. Yes. No, that's not correct event. Prisma. Ah, this is it. Description. Address. Creator ID. No. Start date. Start time. End time. Weekday. Did I forget something? Name, description, address, start time, end time, start date. Ah. Recording selector, frequency. That should be it. Oh, so many comments. Hi, Sponge with Bob. Hey, what language is this? TypeScript mostly. Okay, TypeScript. Oh, thanks that you are answering the questions in chat as well instead of me. That's helpful. Thanks. Okay, so name, description, address. Oh, description. I mean, it's super annoying to do it like this, but it's safer. Because if you change the name, then you don't need to change it here, and it will still work. Because sometimes what happened to me is that if I simply add the whole object and the types were not set up correctly, then I didn't know why is it not working, because it didn't tell me, because I was setting the whole object, and it created quite unpleasant issues. So this is better. Oh no. JSON value is not assignable to type JSON null input JSON. What is this? Input JSON value. Input JSON value. Give me a second, I need to find a drink for me. All right. So this is weird. Any model update? Okay, so it's bug. Where are you gonna host the DP, by the way? I will have my Linux server, so I will host it on the Linux server together with everything. With the backend and maybe even with normal React website, because I plan to create normal React as well. That's probably the cheapest option because you can run pretty heavy application even on the Linux server that costs like $5 per month, much cheaper than some solutions. I mean, it's not scalable very easily, but you can always just simply buy. You can always scale vertically, yeah, vertically, so you can buy stronger server. Probably can do it like this. No, I can't. JSON value. That's a nice solution. Oh man. Weekday. Check weekday. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. For solving bugs that are... Oh no. Something is missing? Creator is missing. Oh yeah. Creator, and creator is... Oh, I can simply add creator ID. That will be simpler. User ID. Okay, still something is missing. Okay. Oh man. You know what? Let's do it like this. Oh no, it's too hacky. Let's do it properly. Even so, this can never happen, I'm pretty sure, because I handled it. Let's still fix it and do it like this. If for some reason then there will not be user ID. Created event. Let's send it back to the front end. And it should be it. It should be saved. Does not exist. It should exist. Cool. Undefined, okay. No, wait, now I'm not sure if it was sent or not. Unhandled promise rejection. How it can be unhandled since I have the sketch here. Let's try it again. Invite data? Oh, I'm not awaiting it. Now it should work. Error. I didn't save it? Wait, something is wrong. Error. It's not even sending the request. Oh, okay, it is. Start date is missing. Oh, yeah. Because it's not called start date. It's called just date. So let's rename it. Start date. Oh. Now it should work. Cool. Cool. It's so nice. Much nicer than before. Again, error. Start date is missing, but I changed the name. Why is it still date? Oh. Now it's working. Yep. And yep. Nice. It was successfully saved to the backend. Let's take a look. What time is it? Oh, it's 5 already. So we have 3 users. We have 3 users and 1 event with 0 users for now. Okay, but we have creator, which is me, nice. We have the name, description, address, start date, and start time, end time, how often it is, frequency, and we even have this. Cool. So we successfully saved the event to the database. And that's it, probably for today. Next time I will probably finish the redesign of this and maybe start showing the event here, so I can dynamically create these events with swipers, so every swipe will be 1 event, and show the description of those events. And also what I need to do is to add the users. It will be probably next page here, like add the users, but for that I also need a profile and blah blah blah. So first I think I will create this page. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. I really enjoyed your questions and comments. And yeah, that's it. So see you next time. Bye. Oh wait, one question. Tell us about your developer journey. Like, I wish to learn things. I started web development 3 to 4 months back and did a web development course, but after it's over I lost like what to do now. It's hard to say because it depends like what are your goals. If you want to do just web development, then stick to one framework, something like React, and try to create as many websites in React as possible. Try to clone some websites and create them completely with just mock data or something, because you need to really learn by creating real applications. That's the only way how to learn. And once you will have some portfolio, you can then show it to in some job interview, and maybe you will get some junior job as developer, and then focus on building the apps in that job, but still try to create as many apps as possible even after the job, because that's like how I did it, and that's what gave me the most, probably, because usually in the job you are creating, like, usually in the job the app or the web app is quite big and you are doing just some parts of it, and because of that you don't understand that architecture that much, because it's usually quite complicated and it's too much for a beginner. But if you will learn, and it can be overwhelming, but if you will start just with small applications on your own time, then you can gain the knowledge, and in few years you will understand even the complex architecture in some big applications in some jobs. Yeah, so that's my recommendation. Just build things all the time and you will learn by doing that. Watch YouTube's videos and this stream maybe. That's it. Yeah, if you like backend, that's another thing, but again, still the same, just build things. That's my recommendation. Okay, so I really need to go, sorry. So thanks for watching and bye.